Hi, I'm Dobby the Fixing Elf. Welcome to What's in My Toolbox, the series where I show you the tools I use to repair cars and fix things. And in this instalment, we have the Silverline soldering iron. This is a 15-watt soldering iron. Has this precision tip. Got this nice comfort grip, triangle-shaped grip on the handle. If I can show you that a bit closer. It also has around a metre long lead, or around 3 feet. So you're not plugged in, that's how come I can hold this end, if you're wondering. For those of you who don't know, you never touch one of these when it's hot on, because it'll be flipping hot. I believe this one gets to between 330 to 340 C. So it's quite warm. So I've just plugged the soldering iron in to warm up. While it's warming up, I'll talk to you about some of the features in it. It has interchangeable tips. This one is the precision tip here, but there are more tips available online. I normally prefer a wedge shaped tip. I find it works better for me. But what tip do you prefer? Let me know in the comments down below. As I said, I got it slightly wrong earlier. It's 300 to 350 C. This one is particularly designed for low voltage and low heat circuit boards and thin wires. So while this is warming up, I'll just quickly clean the tip. And here's my little bit of sponge, just a bit of damp sponge just to clean the tip off. It's not quite up to temperature yet. So I'm going to attempt to give you a demonstration now using this piece of electrical wire that I found. It's probably a bit too thick for the demonstration, but I've got it in my Silverline helping hands. Another Silverline product. I do like them. All we'll do is just warm up this wire. So spread things up a bit, just so you don't have to sit and wait for the wire to warm up. Like I said, this wire is a bit thick for the job, but as you can see, the soldering iron does quite a good job near the end here. It makes a nice clean solder. Unfortunately, my setup isn't quite ready to show you close-ups of this, but hopefully in the future I'll set it up so I can show you more close-up views of stuff like soldering, as I plan to do a video on how to solder in the future. So my final thoughts on this Silverline soldering iron. It's a great little soldering iron for doing little light duty jobs. Circuit boards, I do like to build the odd like electrical circuit board, you know, like the ones that sell on eBay, the kits for the flashing lights and stuff. This is perfect for that. It doesn't get the opponents too hot. It's also earthed, so that's another good thing. What can I tell you about this? It takes roughly around 10 minutes to get up to temperature. So that's why I read a cut earlier, just so I could let it warm up, because I doubt you want to listen to me ramble for 10 minutes. Yeah, overall, good little soldering iron. If you're looking for a light duty soldering iron, I suggest this one. It works really well. If you enjoyed this video, why not drop a like? Any questions or feedback, let me know in the comments. I normally drop 2 videos a week, so if you haven't subbed to the channel yet, you should, and then you'll never miss another video. Do you know anyone else who would enjoy watching this video? Then feel free to share it with them. Thanks for watching until the end. Have a sensational day.